All right, so here we have a rated descent for parachutes. So at low altitudes, the altitude of a parachutist and time in the air are linearly related. A jump at 2,880 feet using the Army's T-10 parachute system lasts 120 seconds. Now we need to find a linear model relating altitude A in feet and time in the air T in seconds, and then find the rate of descent, which is going to be our slope, and then find the speed of the parachute at landing. All right, so what we need to do is we need to figure out what our points are. Well, at time zero, how high are we? We're at 2880. And then we know at 120 seconds, we're at what? We're at 0 feet. We've hit the ground. Okay. So that gives us A of T is going to be whatever this formula is. So again, we'll plug that into our calculator. All right, so let's clear those. That's zero, and that's going to be 120. And then we have 2880 and 0. And go over here and do a 4. Bars 1, 1. So it's minus 24t plus 2800. All right, so let's put that into our equation over here. So that's going to be a minus 24t plus 2880. And that's going to be feet at time t. Okay. Now, what is the rate of descent? Well, we're descending at 24 feet per second. So our rate is we're descending because we're going down at 24 feet per second. And a way to write that would be a negative 24 feet per second if we want it as a number, but we can say it's descending at that, or it's just a negative 24 feet per second. So both of those mean the same thing, just depends on how you're writing it. Okay. And now we need to find, let's see, the speed of the parachutist at landing. Well, when they're going down and that it's going at that rate. So basically that's the speed it's going to be going. It's going to be going 24 feet per second because it's descending at that speed. So now, it's falling. So we're going down 24 or losing 24 feet for every 1 second, or our speed is basically how fast we're going, so we don't worry about the sign. So that's 24 feet per second is going to be our speed of that parachutist. All right, so let's stop with that one and we'll come back for some more.